Welcome to Z Tech. Today we are going to know how to fix Windows 10 store error 0x8000ffff. So let's start. You can simply go to a search bar on Windows 10 and write WS reset. It will reset it will reset all the commands of your Windows 10. You can just click on it and reset all your running commands of your Windows 10. Or there is an other way to solve this problem. You simply go to a search bar on your Windows 10 and write internet option, and then you can click on it. Then here you can go to connections and you click on LAN settings. Here is the proxy server. There you can see if it is checked, then uncheck it and press OK. Hope your problem will be solved. Please subscribe Z Tech channel for more videos. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel. That's all.